यही बात हो तो गया, खत्म हो जाएगा। 4 में वही तो बोला, हो जाएगा। 2 मैच है ना, 4 बॉल। हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ, 2 बॉल बचेगी है ना। छुपा के रखोगे तो लेना ले, इसलिए पब्लिक लेने।
Requesting Team Boom area to please have the dinner and go. Team Boom area they requesting to have dinner.
Dinner and stay here for the final. ऐसा बोल रहा है, go मत।
Please request don't leave. Please have the dinner. It's kept for you. Just informing. Last match, man of the match was Harsh Sarvaiya. The best bowler was Sandeep Agarwal and the best batsman was Tanmay Shenoy. They'll be handing over the trophies and medals after this match. This is now the crucial semi-final. This is called the semi-final match. Norfolk Cricket Titans. Play. White ball. Norfolk winning the toss. Selected to field. Dot ball. Full toss. And a great catch by Mohammed. Left handed catch. What a great wicket over there. The big hard-hitting Jigar walks back to a brilliant catch taken by Amir. White there, great start for Torpedex. What a great blinder there from Amir. Going to his left. Single on to the left side. 1 run added. Another single, same place. Continuing the momentum here, Team Torpedex. 2 wickets in the first over by Tawfiq Parker. And that is the reason they didn't want a break. The body was full of energy. They wanted to use that energy for the next match also. That's really great that they are doing here. Wicket after wicket, 3 wickets now there for 6 runs. Cricket Titans losing the plot. The pressure now building up to them. Catch taken by Pompey Satriya. The team winning all their league matches, suddenly knockouts, and you can feel the pressure. Sumit, one of the best batsmen of this league, walks in. And what a great delivery by first up by Chinu. Another wicket number 4. And as I said, they're just losing the plot, falling like a pack of cards. In the all-important semi-final, home side Vikings will be looking at this match very closely. They are going to play one of them in the finals. The first team to reach in the finals, home side Vikings. Parth Darji couldn't get to bat a lot in this league because his teammates have been batting well, and in the crucial match he walks in with 6 for 4, 7 for 4. Request, let's not have long meetings. Short ball. Going in for reverse sweep, another dot. He ran in full stretch. As soon as he reached the ball, his back started paining. Chance of a single there. That is how the pressure builds with wickets falling. Lot of energy there from Vijay Dada. He's the only one screaming now for the Phoenix. Everyone needs to join in, keep the energy high. Inside edge onto the stumps. Wicket number 5. 8 for 5. Cricket Titans. They need a big partnership and one big innings from either the right-hand, the captain, or the other players supporting him. Partnership from here important. And another wicket almost there. Intent isn't changing, they are going for the big shots. Just the third over. And what is happening? What is happening? It's just the third over. You had to have rotation, singles, doubles here and there. You cannot not play the 7 over quota. End of 3 overs. 1 ball to go, sorry. 8 for 6. This is 8 runs, 6 wickets. So this is where Pawan comes in. He can play those single doubles and take the score, and that is required right now. They need to at least play 7 overs, whatever be the score then walk and try to. Close call, not out. That's a Fred not out from here. Chino stop bribing the umpires. Again going for the big hit. Backward, close to the stump. Chance of another wicket there. Slow delivery, hands on, Wicket number 7. 9 runs, 7 wickets. Cricket Titans are trying to go ahead of their runs in terms of wickets. 9 runs, 7 wickets. Great delivery there. As I said, one long innings was required from Pawan. Singles, doubles, they could have charged after 5 overs. Whatever the score, then they could have fought and defended it. Now the team is in a lot of trouble. We request all the teams, Team Bhumi as well, to have your dinner. All the teams are requested if they can have their dinner before leaving. Much appreciated. Let's not waste food. Smarty. Chance for run out there if it was on to the stumps. 11 runs, 7 wickets. Dot ball. Single there. Partnerji playing as per the plan. He knows you need to play a quota of 7 overs. What a great delivery there. Dodge balls creating the pressure. End of over number 5. 12 for 7 and walks in Ishan Shevalkar, who I said again is bowling really well during the whole tournament. His economy is being at the best. And that is another wicket down. 12 runs, 8 wickets. Cricket Titans lost the plot completely. Last 2 wickets after this. 8 wickets down. Yes, wicket after wicket. What is happening here? This is a landslide of wickets and now they are 12 for 9. Last wicket, and I guess in the tournament this is the first time Dhaval Bhai has come into bat because they never needed him to bat with his team. Playing really well, batting really well. Last 10 balls, last wicket, 12 runs on board. And that is a hat-trick for Shushan Shevalkar, the second bowler today to take a hat-trick.
क्या बात कर रहा है भाई, अभी एग्जांपल दो तो फिर जाएगा तू भी.
Hat-trick for Shushan Shevalkar. As I said, he's been bowling really well throughout the tournament. One bad match, but his economy has been at its best. And landslide of wickets, not even playing the 7-over quota. The Felix now need 13 in the last over, last match to win.
हैट्रिक में अभी ये इसका फाइनल है बस लास्ट. 11 रन तो आराम से मारते ना. 11 में विन कितना विन कितना है? 13 ही विन है ना. अरे 13 पे आराम से मारते. एक ही ओवर में खत्म कर दे दो छक्का मार के. पास हुआ था 2 छक्का ही मार रहे वनडे तो भी जीत जाएगी आराम से जीवन चला गया फ्री का और जिस दिन पीसी बैठा उस दिन ही काम करता है आज पीसी बैठा आज काम नहीं कर रहा वही है ये लगा दो क्या है भाई पैसे का बस ये का फिर दोनों का एक साथ करेगा कमल का कमल 3 लोग का पैसे नहीं रहते एक साथ सबको नाटक में एक अमाउंट पहले की गाँव से कहीं भी जाता
Okay, right now we are.
ताकि तो किसी काम पे नहीं आया तो भोजन के पैसे उस पर लगेगा तुम बता के आया तो बता के आया तो नहीं बता क्या तो मैंने काट लेगा
Okay.
तो पता के नहीं आया ठीक है बिना बताया तो तुझे पहले बताना पड़ेगा तुझे बताया
शाबाश शाबाश क्या बात है कुणाल भाई
मेरे मत क्या कर रहे थे
Whatever happens here, it has been a great campaign for Cricket Titans, winning all the league matches. Not easy at all.
शॉट
It just was the knockouts where they couldn't take the pressure. 11 runs to win now from here. And after taking a single, no, they are not.
चाबी किसका है
Another dot ball.
छक्का मार
शाबाश शाबाश पॉम्पे शॉट है
Another single. End of over number 1. The score is 3 runs.
ये दूसरा डॉली छोड़ा था शॉट शाबाश
On the back of
एक और
9 runs, 4 needed. Swing and a miss. Underage there for Pompey. And he's cleaned him up. And the good campaign for Sumit keeps going on. Whatever happens, he's played the gem of an innings throughout the tournament with the bat and the ball. Akash Rathore has equally supported him. Shahnawaz Khan, good batting throughout the tournament as well. Teja, Yash with his bowling. His team has done really well throughout the tournament. Nothing can be taken away from them. It's just cricket. One team plays better than you on the day.